inside the Niger Delta.
In the past few weeks, Bayelsa State has been in the news for its avowed commitment to enthrone environmental justice for the largely ecologically devastated communities with its #Rise for Bayelsa campaign. Governor Siraka Dickson, in an exclusive interview with Inside the Niger Delta recently in AKUGHA, described the Rise for Bayelsa campaign as a genuine struggle to be embraced by all Niger Deltans faced with a similar challenge of environmental despoilation.
We are prepared to collaborate with all. And Rise Up for Bayelsa, as I said, means rising up for environmental injustice wherever it exists. We have done so in Bayelsa. Rise Up for Bayelsa means you should rise up for the Niger Delta, you should rise up for Delta State, you should rise up for River State, you should rise up for Akwa Ibom State, you should rise up for any state that is suffering environmental degradation and has suffered so for decades without any attention being paid to it.
Governor Dickson said his government was not oblivious of the capacity of the international oil companies to fight back, but noted that it would be exonerated by its quest for justice and humanity.
They are very powerful. They determine what you hear. They have so much money. They control so many aspects of our lives. And they control an intricate web, of power and influence, both within the country and outside. And they can bring that to bear against anybody, including me, who's spearheading it, or any leader. And you've seen it happen before. And we know how our leaders have raised these issues and they've all been brought down and so on. But I believe that our cause, the justice of our cause, is enough to act as our shield. And we have God on our side. And we need enough people of goodwill to get the message that they need to rise up.
As part of efforts to address widespread environmental degradation in Bayelsa State, Governor Dickson recently set up a 10-man international panel led by Dr. John Sentamo, the Archbishop of York, to investigate the cases of environmental pollution and come up with recommendations.
Everything are dying. The whole fish has gone.
From that very good health, we are now seeking.
Oil is not supposed to be on the surface. Oil is supposed to be inside the pipe.
For them, it is business. But for us, it is our livelihood, our lives, our children, and our future.